Let's get into it. First, we'll head to the top left of Adobe Illustrator. Click File, New, and let's create a new document. Let's change the name to image text and let's change the dimensions. Click OK and let's go. So for this tutorial, we'll keep most of the settings the same. Now with our blank workspace, we'll head over to the toolbar to the left and select the type tool, or we could press T. Let's click on our blank space. As we can see, that's a bit small, so let's increase the font. We can do that by looking to the top a bit off center where we see 16 point. We can use arrows or just type in our desired value. Let's set that to 90 point. Let's type drawtists and head back over to the toolbar to the selection tool, or we can press V. Using this, we can move around our text and resize to our desire. When resizing, we can hold the Shift key to maintain the original shape of the text. Now, with the desired text size, ensure our text is selected by clicking on it. Let's change the font to one we like. We'll go with Ocean Rush. Now let's head to File in the top left. Click Place and select our image that we want on our text. The image is a bit too large, so let's just zoom out by holding Alt and the mouse wheel, and let's resize it to our workspace size. If you noticed, our text is hidden behind the image, so let's right click on the image, go to Arrange, and click Send to Back. Let's just center up this text. Then we'll click and hold and drag over the text and the image to select both. When both are selected, we head to the top left option, select Object, Clip Mask, then Make. And there we have it. Our text is masked on the image. We can right click on it and select Undo Make Clipping Mask to undo the clipping mask. We can undo and resize or change our font and change the image if we so desire. So let's try a different image. Leave us a like, tell us any topics you'd like to learn more about in the comments, and subscribe to not miss the answers when they're posted. Thanks for watching.